everyone! Today we are going to compare two espresso machines from Techreviews and Scientist. From the designing, both of them are classic lookings. They are structurally similar and with a chunks on the back of the machine that can be disassembled. And a bean hopper on the top add coffee beans, right here and right here. There is not much of difference, so let's take a look at the capacity of the water tank. The Techreviews has a 2-liter water tank. Scientist has a 2.8-liter tank, so Scientist is 30% more in water storage. Both machines use a 15-bar high-pressure extraction and PID temperature system to extract the best flavor of beans under moderate pressure and stable temperature to make espresso. The warm-up time and temperature of Scientist and Techreviews are similar, but the Scientist is slightly less powerful than the Techreviews, which is more energy efficient, and the Techreviews hot water function relatively better. Of course, the most important thing about the coffee machine is grinding function. There are 30 grinding settings on the Scientist side, 16 on the Techreviews side.
Scientist is more suitable for coffee lovers who have higher requirements for coffee grinding and pursue the best coffee taste.
Next, let's compare the steam function. Scientist heats faster than Techreviews, so the foam is much denser in a short period of time. But I'm a American fan and it doesn't actually matter to me. So both machines have large storage spaces at the bottom to store accessories, right here. So now it's time for the final existing duel. Let's take a look at their packaging first. Scientist has a lot of accessories. Contains 2 espresso glasses, 1 temper and 1 temper mat, 1 milk frozen pitcher and 1 apron, and also a cleansing cloth right here. So I guess the price of Scientist will be higher, so let's take a look. So the price for Techreviews is $699, and let's check the price for Scientist. Price is $599. Unbelievable! This is amazing! How did you do that? Alright guys, today's evaluation is over, and finally I have to say that these two coffee makers are both really great. Coffee lovers, you couldn't miss it. So hope today's video is helpful to you, and see you next time. Bye bye!
Enjoy the taste and aroma of coffee from fresh beans and milk with the new Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with Latte Go. Create 5 delicious coffees such as a velvety cappuccino or latte macchiato at your fingertips. With the surprisingly intuitive touchscreen, easily adjust the aroma, strength and length of any coffee you brew with My Coffee Choice. The Latte Go milk system tops your latte macchiato with silky smooth milk froth. With only 2 parts and no tubes, our innovative Latte Go milk system is the fastest to clean milk system ever. Always brewed from fresh beans, our durable ceramic grinders ensure you can enjoy up to 20,000 cups of the finest coffee, revealing the perfect coffee temperature, aroma and crema thanks to the aroma extract system. And with the AquaClean filter, you will not have to descale your machine for up to 5,000 cups. Philips 3200 Latte Go. Minimize the fuss, maximize the moment. Innovation anew. Philips.